Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentengen bat penbha.
Nalor ki wei pat ke Jingpang ki ba ka Sorkar leng ba katnat ka kot ka khia. Kadang yele ban Pynduh jan. Ke Jingpang Nianglyngkut ru kadai ka wei ni ki Jingpang ka bama. Ka ba ka Sorkar na du ki kindes nem menchua kadang persang ban yele persya yau ni ku Jingpang. Dang hne kasngi ka khalai tarik mentau nai weng arjakat pra. Rengkat borok ka wei keri India. Hakani ke jela jungiru. Lasdang ya ke leprosy case detection campaign na East Khasils district ha ke jelang ke bala pelong ha civil hospital Shillong ya ke bala pelong da ke kenhon national leprosy eradication program ha kani ke jelang banyalap halor kumno banyada na uknyang Jingpang Nianglyngkut nolor ke doktor bat ki he jong katnat ke kot ke khia lai don langro u menteri Sorkar bakmi ya katnat ke kot ke khia uba Alexander Elheng uba long kongsan ha kani ke jelang.
All of you are the ambassador of this campaign. Cannot depend only on the health department, cannot depend on the doctors, the nurses, the health worker, but all of you are the ambassadors of the campaign. Imna aban ong batang ki doctor ki jongi, lani ki nurse ki jongi, lani tang ki nongtre jong ka Sorkar jong ka health department, ki bala aban ai ya ka Jingpang, lani ka jing awareness. Dan kemudian ketika early detection juga leprosy. Ketika mapi baru agi badan hangi, kamta mapi ki badan hangi ke jaka, ki besok ke jaka, bar ki bundan ni jakaru. You all of you are the ambassadors how to make awareness for this leprosy campaign. Dalam manga bermapi ki metristom. If you and me, we are not taking this responsibility under this duty, who will take this responsibility and this duty? Kamla benong by in 2 weeks, they can go and do the detections and to reach to your places, to reach out to your places. It's not possible for the health workers, the doctors, the nurses to reach out to you without your support and without your help. Lada kadon ke jingeram ke napi, lada kadon ke jingetrelang ke napi, kamla benong bahawa ke di RTO, bahawa ke di campaign, bahawa ke di Doktor Jogi ki doktor jong health department kira berpuai jaga-jaga jongpi. The day mafi ipat ba ngong bagi ipat ba baru jong state ke jongi. All of you are the ambassadors for this campaign.
In order to detect the hidden leprosy cases, the leprosy case detection campaign online with the Pulse Polio campaign have been introduced by the Central Leprosy Division. In the state of Meghalaya, as you have heard, the two districts which will implement this campaign is East Khasils district and Ribhoi district. This leprosy case detection campaign is a unique initiative under the National Leprosy Eradication Program (NLEP). The objective of the campaign is the early detection and also creating awareness about leprosy so that the persons affected can be saved from physical disability and deformity by providing timely treatment and thus halting the transmission of the disease at the community level.
Haka perthei ilang salang, haka perthei ilang salang dan shibun kija Jingpang. Hidup kawai naki dengan lingkut nili prosi Jingpang ya bit bama jing sapriang tegaduna ban kensting pat omlong khot met ubriu ka bam ka klong min snok tilang min ya raikut min snok tilang min ya raikut ban rating kong ya ka Jingpang Nianglyngkut ban rating kong ya ka Jingpang Nianglyngkut nong trai ka kwat ka khia ken wan cha yin jong pi ban examen Jingpang Nianglyngkut leprosy kani ka juk online shopping home delivery to shopping your home examen for free to shopping your home examen for free. Deban sumar deban yada, deban sumar deban yada, banam ya bit ko ni anda. Wat ay banyang lingkod duhan mat ubril tikan pinpot. Yok don kidak kishin, deban yok ki examine. Lada lap lada titek, word pin yok sumar direct. Nil snok tilang, nil ya raiku, nil snok tilang, nil ya raiku. Ban Pynduh jat ya ka Jingpang Nianglyngkut, ban rating Thong ya ka Jingpang Nianglyngkut.